Wake up, sleepy cat! Your boss is here!
Task 1. Get me water! Move!
Seriously, I said water for me!
Meow, sorry.
Stop trying to send me to heaven!
Beautiful! Chaos soup again. Task 2. Cook lunch. It's a fish, not a fidget spinner.
All of it.
Did you just use me as a mop? Task 4. Pull me around. I want a tour.
Worst driver ever. Wow.
Mind your business, dog.
Task 5. Clean everything. Now!
How do you make it worse?
Not that hard.
Meow! I'm hungry and tired.
Not my problem. More tasks coming.
I'm trying my best, but you always shout. Why do you look like a crying marshmallow? Eat before I regret it. Meow! Delicious. Eat before I regret it. Meow, delicious.
From now on, less shouting.
Maybe. Meow, friends? Fine.
Friends, but I'm still the boss.